Good evening, friends. So, I am Umesh Mailani here from CGS Raipur again. And as we know that CGPSC has declared the result for mains examination timely, as I already had conveyed to our students that the result will hardly take evaluation of mains exam will hardly take around 3 to 4 days, and it happened like this. So as we already know that so many of our team members and friends have got selected for the interview of CGPSC court manager exam. There has been a bit of dissatisfaction when it came to the results, especially from the Hindi medium backgrounds for the court manager examination. Many of our friends and students who worked very hard could not qualify the mains examination, but then it's okay. Their hard work and study will definitely be in the time to come. And now I am very happy to announce that we are planning to have a mock interview round for the court manager examinations. So different experts are likely to participate in the interview process. So my personal expectation is that we may have the interview session somewhere around the 15th May by the CGPSC. So we target to begin the mock interview sessions and the preparations from around 6th to 7th May itself. So there has been one dedicated WhatsApp group also prepared with link, the link for which I shall be sharing here along with the description of this live video sessions. And we will also discuss regarding the basics of the CGPSC interview, the recent current affairs and the relevant topics which may be asked in the interview phase, along with the basics of the main syllabus. Especially there were a bit of less questions from the management sections in the mains examination. So what I personally feel is that we shall have sufficient number of questions from the experience, from the background, from the law field, from the legal judicial structure at the level of districts and at the level of High Court of Chhattisgarh, the different digital initiatives, e-governance initiatives, management tools and techniques which are being deployed in the judicial administrations, along with the different ICT tools and techniques. And there will be sufficient number of questions as far as my personal calculation and expectation says. So I would request you guys to start working on their background and experience along with the current affairs aspects. So for the law, polity, and the governance sections and the current affairs, we will deal all those aspects along with the basics of the interviews in this particular YouTube channel, that is CGS Raipur. Please do subscribe, and all those who have qualified can freely join our WhatsApp group. There may be some fees for participation in the mock interviews. We are planning to organize at least 3 to 5 mock interviews for each of you candidates, and then the management section and then e-governance ICT sections will be dealt from our different YouTube channel, that is CGS Network. You can search and subscribe that particular channel also. So I once again congratulate all the friends who have qualified for the CGPSC court manager interview round, and I personally feel that each marks in the interview round shall change the fate of the candidates in their final selection. I also wish to make it clear that it is not mandatory that CGPSC shall certainly or High Court shall certainly recommend all the 22 candidates against the vacancies declared. It depends on your performance, suitability, competency, which will be judged during the interview round. Otherwise, you might have failed and seen that in successive vacancies, if the eligible and suitable competent candidates are not found, those seats can be declared vacant also, and there may not be any recommendation of candidate by the CGPSC to the High Court of Chhattisgarh, who is the cadre controlling or recruiting authority. So this is where we need to make much efforts when it comes to our interview rounds. So I once again wish you all the best. Please keep in touch via this YouTube channel. Join our mock interview session, register for it, and then subscribe our YouTube channel CGS Network also for the topics relating to the e-governance, management sections, and a few other sections relating to finance, accounts, entrepreneurship, tendering methods, and other tools and techniques for the CGPSC court court manager interview round. Rest of the topics we will be discussing here via small videos, and also through some interactive sessions via Zoom. So thank you so much. This is a bit of one update with a bit of delay from my side, but I apologize for that. But as far as our preparation is considered for the interview sessions, we will be timely and in advanced mode. So from the next week itself, we are going to organize this session. Thank you so much.